Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a simple logo, whether for your brand, for your school, for your new organization, and more. So we are going to be using our Canva tool, and I'll be right back with all the steps. Welcome back. So let's go to the scoreboard to start the exploration right away. As we all know, to access Canva, what you need to do is to search the canva.com. So when you get to canva.com, today I'm going to be creating the logo from scratch. So I click on create design. Let me look for exact size. Let me use a square size, which is Instagram size. So what I'm going to be doing first is to think about the kind of logo I want to create, and if possible, maybe because I'm an artist, the first thing you need to do is to sketch how you want the logo to actually look like. So in my mind, I'm thinking that I already have the picture in my mind, so I'm going to be putting my imagination into reality with the use of Canva. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is to go to my elements. So under my elements, I'm going to search gradients. So I need circle. So I'm going to go to gradients to get my circle. So what is gradient? Gradient is just like a kind of color tone. So I'm using 3-tone. I think this is not bad. So I'm going to go back again and search shape. There are some things that we can't do on Canva that we can only do them on Photoshop, on CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and other tools. But if you are used to Canva very well, you can actually unlock some of those things. Like now, something like this now, you can actually do it through Canva. I mean, outline circle, but by bringing white circle again in between, I've actually overcome that problem. So this is the first step I'm doing. Then again, I need another shape, and where I'm going to be writing the name of my school, I need to block some parts here because I cannot cut the circle. So that is why I'm doing this. So I cut Ctrl C, Ctrl V, that is copy and paste. So exactly where I paste it over there, I'm going to also paste it here. So I think this is somehow accurate. See, accurate. 1 2 1 2 1 2 up little 1 gone. So this is not bad. So the next thing I'm going to look for is to look for abstract human. So there are different. This is what I mean by abstract human. I know so many schools actually use this logo. Oh, the hand, one of the hand coming outside is not bad at all. So this is not bad because it is a school I'm actually creating the logo for. I think this is not going to be bad at all. So after this, the next thing I'm going to do is to look for curved lines, and I think this will not be bad to. Something like this is common in the school organization, yeah, because I can't find curved lines. So let me just use the direct where the space I open. Let me just use it direct there. That means at this point, do I need this? Let me first delete this. I think I don't need it again. Yes. So I'm going to give this outline line is going to be purple. Oh, this purple good? No. Okay, this is not bad. And instead of white, I make it pink. Depending on your interest, but I think white is quite too much in this design. Okay, this is simple and straightforward. This is fine. So the white is too big, so that I can use the opportunity to reduce. The white is too much in my design. So this is my logo. The next thing I'm going to add the name of the school. I like to scroll down to look for professional fonts by Canva. This is a nice font. Or do let me use this at all. Let me just use direct fonts that you find very interesting. So let me just go to font back, heading, creative hall. That's the name of the school. That's my school. Okay. So this is creative hall, and in another class I'm going to be teaching you how to curve your design. So let me give it each of them is towards it almost. I'm trying to copy the color of the abstract image in between. So this is my design. Any other thing you want to add to it, you are fine. So I've created a logo from the scratch. Another thing you can also do, apart from creating something like this, let me just let me keep this aside. Another thing you can also do is to search from elements. Just write their logo. Let's see all their logo. Or not the word logo. Let's check the word. Let me use lowercase. Or let me just search school logo. So under logo, they are going to bring some other templates that we can also make use of. I'm going to show you some templates here right now. If you click on one, you will get all. This is not a bad template for school. There are some that I actually saw, so I'm trying to see if I can see. This is yes from here. Okay, these are others. This is not also a bad design at all. This is then from here, almost everything here. You'll have seen some school using this logo around you, especially this. So sometimes you may not even disturb yourself at all. Just alter them. Please don't use them direct also. Alter them. Try to have your own creativity around it. Then with that, the originality will be 100%. So let me just take like these two now. I can alter these two in such a way that you find it very interesting. Just that I can't. This is black and white throughout. Because the best thing I can do is to actually make it like this. Then I can go to shape. I can change this to, you understand, this is one of the best way to overcome some of those creativity that you can add to it. Like if I can get something like this, which is possible, I think I've seen one before, and if I did not, I should see something related to. So this is it here. Though it's not looking like it, but let me see whether if I move it backward, back. No, it's not working. So you can still look for something related to that. But with this alone, we are fine. Just imagine I'm using this inside. That means those children are coming through the below the star. Give this orange or white. Creative all, and with this now we have created our logo design. Remember, this is very simple, but you need to do this again and again. Let me see whether I can show you some other logos there under the element. Under that element, we have a lot of logos. If you are trying to create a brand around fashion, you can use some of these. If you are trying to create a brand under communication, this is a logo, construction, and more. So there are so many logos. And if you are going for agriculture, it's also not a bad one. This can represent letter E, then from there, and this is not a bad logo. So explore Canva for logo design, and for today I have tried to take you through what you can achieve through the use of logo design. So I'll be back with more design with Eben. Thank you. Bye.